Welcome everyone. My name is Ethan Kemper, and today we're going to help some of you with structuring your PowerPoint. The first step in making a PowerPoint is to get an idea. Don't worry about the layout and what you're going to put in your presentation. Focus on getting an idea, then we're going to get into the outline, then we'll eventually get into the actual structure and making of your actual presentation. The first step is to get an idea. It could be anything that you like to do or you want to share with your viewers. Get the idea and stick with it. And with that idea, find something that you're confident in talking about. Don't choose something that you're going to struggle with or you're going to pause with or you're not going to know a lot about. Find something that you're confident in talking about, because when you find something that you're confident in talking about, then your viewers are going to be more likely to get something and get the idea what you're trying to get across with them. And with the next step is to keep it simple. Don't make it too complicated. Don't overdo it. Just keep it simple, because that goes with your idea and your outline for your presentation. Just keep it simple, because anyone could go on and on and on about their idea and talk about stuff that kind of is unnecessary to talk about. Just get to the main points to get your idea across your audience. Now we're going to get into the actual making and the structure of your presentation, because we already talked about keeping it simple, but now we're going to get more into the design of your presentation. When you're adding things in there, either words or images, you want to make it symmetrical on each slide. Don't have images just randomly placed in different sizes in your slides. You want to make sure they are in harmony. You want to make sure they're equal, that they're balanced. So if you're going to have an image on one part of your screen, you want to mirror that on the opposite side of that slide. You want to make sure that they're the same size. You want to make sure the colors match. You don't want to just do completely random things and hope for the best. Then with the images, then you want to look for high quality HD 4K images. You don't want to look for ones that are really fuzzy where you can't really tell what the image is about. You don't want to look for cartoonish images either, because you're presenting an idea and you want to make it look formal, you want to make it look professional to your viewers. Which brings me to my next point, is your bullet points. Yes, we can go on and have 10 bullet points on each slide, and it would provide a lot of information, good information to the viewers. But at the same time, that's too much. You want to limit that down to 3 or 4 to 5 bullet points. Just enough to get your point across, to get your idea across to your viewers. And with each of those bullet points, you don't want to have like 3 to 4 sentences going on with them. You want to limit to one sentence to like 10 to 15 words, just to get the main idea across with your viewers. I just want to thank you all for watching, and hopefully this helped out with any questions of how to structure a presentation.